Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to enable editing story upload on Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to enable the editing story upload on Picsart, first open up a Picsart app on your phone, and after opening a Picsart app, guys, you'll land on this interface, and where this is the home interface of Picsart. Now on this interface, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the person or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and to land over here, where at the top right corner of the screen you can see the tree line icon available for us. Tap on the tree line icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you land over here. Again, will be required to tap on the settings button just above the logout button. Tap on settings, and you can see, guys, over here under the general category there is the option that says enable editing story upload. Now in order to enable your editing story upload on Picsart, tap on the toggle icon at the right side, and then the editing story upload will be enabled. And with that being said, guys, this is how to enable editing story upload on Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.